This is 6.1 exercise problem number 2. Here given in the given figure lines xy and mn intersects at O. Okay, this is xy and this is mn. This is mn. They are intersecting at this point O. This point they are intersecting. Okay, if POY is given, this POY is, this symbol means this is 90 degrees. From and A is to B, this is angle A and this is angle B. So A is to B is given, 2 is to 3, A ratio B is equal to 2 is to 3. And we have to find the angle C. Okay, if you take care, if you see carefully, OP stands on XY. This is the OP. This is the OP. Now this is XY. OP stands on XY. So, angle, if you take this angle XOP, this is O, this angle XOP and YOP, they are making linear pair. So, linear pair means like this they are standing. So, this straight angle this is. So, their sum should be equal to, so XOP, as they are making linear pair, their sum should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this angle and this angle, their sum should be equal to this. Already in this POY is given 90 degrees. So POY is equal to, here we have substituted 90 degrees. XOP plus 90 degrees is equal to 180. So angle XOP is equal to 180 minus 90. We have got this XOP angle as, a total XOP angle as 90 degrees. Okay. Now second case is given, angle B plus A. Angle B, what is angle B? This is angle B. What is angle B? MOX plus MOP. This is MOX and this is MOP. Okay, this is violet pen I am writing, my MOX plus MOP, A and B. MOP is A and MOX is B. Okay, they are A plus B is equal to angle XOP. This is XOP or POX same. B plus A is making POX. Okay, this is XOM plus MOP or POM plus MOX. Total which angle is made? POX they are making, like this. Here this is XOP and one ray is there. Now this is angle A and this is angle B. This we have named as M. So XOM plus MOP, they are making 90 degrees. B plus A. So B plus A is equal to POX or XOP. So that's what we have written here. Okay. XOP is 90 degrees we have got. Now BXOM plus MOP is equal to XOP. So B plus A is equal to 90 degrees. Because already we have given A and P, A is to B value is equal to 2 is to 3. So whenever ratios are given, we will be taking common angle. मतलब दोनों angle में है. So let the common element be X we have taken. Okay, if A is equal to, A is 2 is to 3 ratio. So A will become 2x, B will become 3x. And A and B already here, A and B they are making 90 degrees. Already XOP we have got 90 degrees. So B plus A is equal to 90 degrees. 3x plus 2x is in 90 degrees. 5x is equal to 90. X is equal to 18. Common element X we have got 18. So what is A? A is equal to 2x. 2 into 18, 36. B is equal to 3x. 3 into 18, 54. Okay, now next is angle SE we have to find out. So now what you see here, okay, now this angle is the C. This angle, this angle is the C angle. So now how we will be getting this C angle? This C angle is nothing but, okay, C angle is nothing but XOC, sorry, XON. This, with black I will be writing. Okay, this XON is the C angle. Okay, CXON, this angle, and this with the black I am writing MOY. MOY, they are vertically opposite angles. You are like this. Okay, supposing if you tried like this, this is X, this is O, and this is N. Okay, and this is your MOY. Same I am figure writing separately here. This is your C. So these both XOM I will draw here. Okay, this is X, this is M, and this is N, and this is our X. This is our O, XO, this is N, XOM. Okay, this is Y. So MOY and XON, they are making vertically opposite angles. So here, that is what here, MOY is equal to MOP. What is MOY? This is MOY. MOY, this is MOY. MOY is equal to MOP means A, and POY means B. B already we know 90 degrees. So MOP already we know 90 degrees, first case given. A we have got 30 degrees. So A actually, A जो XON है, C, that is the vertically opposite angle of M. अभी मैंने यहाँ समझा है, MOY का XOY opposite angle है, vertically opposite angle है. So यहाँ आपका you have the now if you see carefully, now this is our figure X and Y. Okay, now this is the O and P, and this is the M and N. Okay, now this angle is A and this angle is B and this is N. Okay, now MOY, this is MOY. Okay, this angle and this angle, they are the vertically opposite angle. Now already this POY और YOP सेम, ये 90 डिग्री है, ये ऑलरेडी आपको हमको ये मिली है. सो अभी हमको क्या करने का है, अभी ये जो एंगल है ये प्लस 90 ये मिल गए, तो ये पूरा एंगल मिल गए, तो दिस XON will be the vertically opposite angle of this. So that is what I have written here. Okay, MOY is equal to MOP plus POY. MOY is equal to A 30 degrees plus 90 degrees. So MOY is equal to 180 degrees. Now what is this MOY? MOY is the vertically opposite angle of Okay, like this. Again I am drawing x and y. Okay, they are intersecting at point. This is our M. Okay, this is our N. This is Y. Now MOY और ये दोनों वर्टिकल एंगल, MO पाई आ गई बाय एडिंग A और B, A और 90 डिग्रीज, तो ये आ गए तो इसको वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट है. So 36 plus 90 we have added. So XON is equal to 126. XON is nothing but C is equal to 126.